Today I'm going to teach you to make my favorite Thai dessert, Tapioca red ruby. First, prepare some chestnuts. I'm using canned chestnuts. You may use fresh chestnuts if you want. I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Now put all cut chestnuts into a small bowl. Put in some pink or red food coloring, a little sugar, and a little water. Don't over wet the chestnuts, just slightly moist would do. Now mix well. Great, now all of them look pink. Then pour in some tapioca starch. Mix well. After mixing, add more tapioca starch. Don't worry if you have too much on it. You can always adjust accordingly. Now mix well. Now look at this. This is done. Prepare a strainer and a bowl so we can strain away all the excess tapioca flour. Now our red ruby is ready to cook. Boil some water and then pour in all the red ruby pieces. Then stir it quickly so it won't clump up. Now let it cook for a while. Once it's cooked, all of them will float on the top. Look, they start floating on the top. Look, they are all floating. Give a stir and make sure that none of the pieces stick on the pot. Now let's scoop up all the red rubies. Put it into cold water so they won't stick together. Look at it. They're so beautiful. Looks like little rubies. I do not have shaved ice, so I'll just use ice cubes. Pour in some coconut milk. And then I put on some coconut cream so it makes it taste better. You can just use coconut milk if you do not have coconut cream. In some cut jackfruits. This is optional. If you do not have that, it's fine. You can just have the red ruby itself. Here is my beautiful red rubies. You can put as many as you want. Lastly, put on some brown sugar or palm sugar syrup. And this is done. It looks beautiful. Can't wait to have a try. Give this dessert a try. You will like it. Hope you learned something new today.